How to change Safari download location on iPhone. Are your Safari downloads always ending up in the wrong folder? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to change the Safari download location on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Step 2. Go to Safari Settings. Scroll down and tap Safari to open its settings. Step 3. Open Downloads. Scroll until you find Downloads, then tap it. Step 4. Choose a download location. You'll see 3 options. iCloud Drive, save downloads to iCloud so they're available on all your Apple devices. On my iPhone, save files directly to your iPhone's local storage. Other, select any custom folder in the Files app. Save your preference. Tap your preferred location. Your selection is saved automatically, so there's no need to press a save button. Bonus tip. Open the Files app anytime to find, organize, rename, move, or delete your downloaded files. That's it. Safari will now save all future downloads to the location you selected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips.